Welcome to Fathym. Today we're going to show how to use some of our getting started recipes to easily get your site up and running quickly. The first recipe we're going to show is Angular. We can deploy from open source, as well as we can fork this recipe. Today we're going to do from open source. So this is grabbing one of our open source repos on GitHub, and it's adding it to your Fathym dashboard. So now here on your Fathym dashboard, you can click this icon to preview your new Angular site. This is the Angular Typescript app that we built for you. And you can go into and see how we set it up. This allows you to see how you would set up your own projects within Fathym. And again, just a reminder, this is how you launch it.